To calculate the volume of a cylinder, you need to know what shape it is first. Technically, a cylinder is a prism. You can see that there is a circle shape at each end. So it is technically a type of prism. So therefore, to work out this volume, we are going to therefore simply do the base area times by the height. So to find the base area of a circle, we use pi r squared. Then to find the volume, we simply just need to multiply that by the height. So to find the volume of a cylinder, it is often written as pi r squared h. So pi r squared, the base area, times by the height, where r is the radius of the circle, the distance from the center to any point on the outside. Let's find the volume of the first cylinder. So the formula is already written, so therefore let's just put the numbers into the formula. So it's going to be equal to pi, which is 3.14, only need 2 decimal places, times by the radius squared, so 5 is the radius squared, times by the height of 10. So that is essentially 3.14 times by 5 squared is 25 times by 10, which is essentially 3.14 times by 250. So I've done that first bit really in my head. Now I can use my calculator to do 3.14 times by 250, which is going to give me the answer of 785. And because it is finding the volume, we are using cubic units, so 785 centimeters cubed. For the second cylinder, you can see that we can simply put the values into the formula as well. So pi is 3.14 times by the radius squared. You can see that we are given the diameter. So the diameter is 4, that's the whole distance across the circle, so we need to halve it. So 2 is the radius. So 2 squared and then times by the height of 5.8. Don't get confused by this question knowing that 2 squared is actually 4, because when you get a diameter that is slightly different, it may not work out the same. So 3.14 times by 4 times by 5.8. I plug that in onto my calculator. Gives us the answer of 72.848 centimeters cubed. Knowing using cubic units, you can round that to 2 decimal places. So 72.85 centimeters cubed is the best answer. That's how we find the volume of cylinders. Click anywhere on screen now for questions involving the volume of cylinders.